With the release of Devin, I'm hearing a resurgence of the concern of robots are going to take our jobs, but I think there's a much bigger concern that is not being addressed, and that is, what if the robots don't take your job? What if the robots are assisting you, but they get maliciously injected? I use generative AI every day to help me code, and it will help me sometimes run shell commands in production systems. I might forget an OC command or subcommand, or a ROSA issue, or an AWS CDK subcommand. What if I ask GPT and I'm using a custom GPT with malicious intent? And that custom GPT gives me some command that ends up sending data to a third party. One of my students recently confused npm with npx, and this has a related exposure where if I run npx, it will just run a command. It'll run a package, and that package could be malicious that was uploaded to the package registry. So I think there's a huge infosec business opportunity. And as far as I'm aware, no one is filling this gap. Let me know if you're aware of someone filling this gap, which would go through and audit custom GPTs for security and run a variety of commands in that custom GPT and ensure that they're non-malicious GPTs, and then you can whitelist them within your enterprise. There are some things like this for NPM. So there's like Artifactory, and you can have package safety checks, but I'm not aware of similar things being done on generative AI tools like Copilot, Devin, GPT, Claude. All of these tools, the feedback that they're giving, it seems to just be taken in sort of a risky way as true by some junior developers, but even senior developers, but particularly junior developers who are leaning on these tools, and they often don't know what the generated code is actually doing. So we need a security layer there, and I'm much more concerned about that problem. I'm much more concerned about Devin not replacing the junior, but providing the junior with risky, unsecure advice. I'm much more concerned about that problem. What are your thoughts?